Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? Guys, so in today's video, I'm going to unbox few new dolls that I recently got and few I got prior but did not got time to unbox them. So here we have the new face mold Chelsea doll. They are so cute guys and I'm so excited to unbox them. And then we have here the Barbie extra mini dolls, and also I have a very special set that I got from Desert Card. Yay! So without delay, let's get started. And before that, if you have not subscribed to my channel, do like, share and subscribe it to be a part of my doll family. Yay! Love you all! Okay guys, so now I'm going to unbox this set and I'm really very excited. So guys, I have removed the outside poly wrap from this packaging, and frankly speaking this time the packaging is not very good. As you see here, it is unwrapped from both the edges, okay, and it is just like this opening. So I was really worried while opening this up that I may accidentally damage the packaging of this doll. So I think if we could get good packaging from Desert Card, it would be really great and I would really appreciate that. But almost my experience from Desert Card has been great guys. It's a really very great website wherein I'm able to find very great dolls at affordable prices. So finally we have the dolls out of the box, and here we have this set guys wherein we have dolls of the world, and we have the very first over here which is Japan. Then we have Norway and then we have India guys. So I really wanted the India doll and it was in my wishlist since long, and I got this particular set because of this particular doll guys, because if you see the Japan doll, that is a Kira mold, and I have few Kira face mold dolls and I also have a lot of superstar face mold dolls. So that's why I didn't want it Norway or Japan that much, but since this set was in a very good price, it was available, so I would say I grabbed it at a very nice deal. So I got this set and I'm really happy, but it seems dolls are a bit dirty from inside the face. I can see like some dust in there, so I will have to unbox this set to check out and remove that dirt, I think so. As you know, I prefer my dolls in box only, but considering the condition, I will have to check it out. So I will show you a close-up of these dolls. Here is the close-up guys, the Japan doll. Then we have the Norway doll, beautiful doll guys. I just love her face and dress. And then we have India doll in a beautiful pink color sari, and I really love her. So I'm going to unbox this set now to check out if these marks over here, these are removable or just dust. So guys, I removed the outer box and here are our beauties out of the box. I'm going to remove them completely entirely from this packaging as well and show you the dolls individually. Okay guys, so now we have all three dolls out of the box. Here is our first girl, the Norwegian Barbie. If you see, she comes with this doll stand which also mentions Norwegian Barbie Collector Edition. She also comes with these black heels and also with this comb. How pretty she is. I really love her. Let me show you. Her dress is really of very good quality. There is this extra bag that is attached to her dress, and her hair, really beautiful guys. Overall I love this doll, just there is a small defect guys. Her shoes If you see one of the shoe, there is a crack. She can still wear it though, so that's okay. For the price I got her, I'm not going to complain more, and it's really a very old doll, so it could have been a manufacturing or storage defect. Moving on to our next dolly, guys. Here we have our beautiful doll, which is the Dolls of the World India, guys. You can see she comes with this stand which also mentions Indian Barbie, and she comes with this hair comb, and then we have these slippers, and she is wearing this sari, guys. Her hair is very beautiful. I just love it. I love her dress as well. Her earrings. Regarding her earrings, I am a bit worried, guys, because I recently had this Indian Barbie doll, and I think it was from 2000s, and she was wearing these metal earrings, and I had this issue of green hair. I was able to remove the earrings timely, and right now I'm going through the benzoyl peroxide treatment, guys, for her to remove that stain. So I really don't want that to happen with this dolly, so I'm going to do some research, and I think I may remove the earrings and keep them aside to prevent any green hair. But she's really beautiful, and this was the doll because of which I got this particular set. Another issue with this doll that I would like to share with you guys is that she was having a lot of white residue on her leg. Most probably it could be because she had been lying in box since long, so it could be because of the box, or maybe because of the vinyl, guys. And for now I have tried to clean it up with a baby wipe, but I'm going to clean her up with hot water and then see if it goes completely. She is simply wearing these slippers, which are kind of called like chappal in India, but I really don't like those flats that much, because they're not that good quality, and I would have loved if she would have been wearing something else. But since these are dolls of the world, so maybe they're trying to represent what Indian Barbie should look like. That's why they've included those slippers that's like authentic chappals. And now moving on to next dolly, which was not my favorite doll before I was going to buy her, but she has become my most favorite doll in this set, guys. I really love this Japan doll. Just look at her hair, how beautiful, that cute bow ribbon, and her dress, and even this particular part, belt, it is removable, really of very good quality, guys. And I really love Kira face mold. I don't have that much Kira dolls in my collection. A few of them I have. Superstar I have a lot, I must say, but I'm really happy to have her. What do you think about her? Do share your comments. This doll also comes with one comb, and we have her slippers as well, which are kind of very cute, guys. She's also wearing these little socks, and I really love, I think this is called a kimono something, not very sure, forgive me guys if I'm wrong, but I really love these dolls. Here are all our dollies. I'm really happy to add this set to my collection. And what do you think about it? Do share your comments. Do you also have these dolls in your collection? Let me know. And guys, I think I should end this video today, because I think let's have one video for the Dolls of the World, this gift set, and the remaining dolls, the Chelsea doll and the mini dolls, I think we can cover up in another video, guys, because it will be too long, and better to cover them up in another video. And I'm also going to get one more mermaid doll, the Chelsea one, new face mold, so let's have that video in another session. And do you know we have the new Monster High Morticia guys coming up, and I'm so happy I have ordered her and so excited to receive her. And once I get her, I'm going to unbox her as well. I ordered 2 of them and really so excited guys for them. So that's all for today, and love you all. If you have not subscribed to my channel, do like, share and subscribe it. See you till then. Bye bye.